This is the most versatile kayak in the world. This unique inflatable catamaran kayak is really 4 hulls in one. You can choose to paddle, motor, sail, and fish. Best of all, it still packs down to a mere fraction of its inflatable size, so storage and transportation are easy. It features 2 widely spaced inflatable tubes that cut right through the water but give you a solid, well-balanced boat. It is remarkably stable and comfortable. It cuts through the water with minimal resistance. So much easier to get into and launch than a regular kayak. Go to this web address for more details, customer reviews, and price.